Transform your mornings with perfect lemon water. Every morning offers a chance to boost your health, yet many stumble at the first step. Busy routines lead to bottled alternatives, missing the zest and peel that hold nature's wellness secrets. Without fresh lemon water, your immune system misses vital vitamin C and antioxidants that fuel your day, leaving you less energized and more prone to sluggish digestion. Begin with a fresh lemon. Cut it in half, appreciating its vibrant color and tangy aroma. Squeeze half a lemon into 8 ounces of water, choosing warm water to gently awaken your system. As you mix, let hints of zest dissolve into your drink. The peel holds extra nutrients, adding subtle complexity that supports digestion and promotes radiant skin. A small step like using a straw protects your enamel while enhancing flavor and benefits. Doctors and nutrition experts agree, proper lemon water is a simple, natural boost. Its citric acid helps break down food, balancing stomach acidity and curbing occasional bloating. Rich in potassium and magnesium, this ritual supports hydration and overall well-being. Steer clear of additives by avoiding bottled lemon juice, and always wash your lemons well. Every careful step transforms an ordinary drink into a powerful ally against daily fatigue. With each sip, you reclaim your vitality and set a positive tone for the day. Embrace this mindful ritual, knowing that you nurture your body from the inside out. Confidence in your preparation builds not only a healthier lifestyle, but also a moment of calm each morning. Imagine a community of wellness enthusiasts sharing their own preparation tips, turning a simple glass of lemon water into a celebration of life. Now consider the potential: a burst of energy, improved digestion, and glowing skin, all in one refreshing drink. Do you have a favorite way to prepare lemon water? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Remember, every detail counts. For best results, choose organic lemons and store them properly to maintain their vitamin richness. Consider experimenting with water temperature, as warm water can enhance digestion, while cold water may feel more refreshing. Each adjustment to your routine can lead to noticeable improvements in energy and skin health. Such mindful adjustments transform your morning ritual into a holistic act of self-care, empowering you and inspiring change. Small changes add up to significant benefits. Awaken, refresh, and thrive each new day.